Hi everyone, welcome to Calculus 1 with support. So I'm on the Canvas shell for the course. This is just a template, so your actual Canvas shell will look like this, except it will have your instructor's name here. So if you click on the left, if you click on Home, it will take you to the home page right here. And then you have a Start Here button. If you click on this button, it will take you to the video that you're watching right now. And below that, so it's a face-to-face class, which means you're expected to attend each class in person during the scheduled class meeting times. Okay, so down below the Start Here button, there's links to important class information. You have the syllabus, textbook, and class content. So let's click on the textbook first. So if you click on textbook, it takes you to the textbook here, which is links to the textbook. So in Module 1, these are the parts of the textbook you'll be looking at. So if you click on linear functions, we'll take you to that part of the textbook, and so forth. Okay, so that's our textbook for the course. There's no need to buy any textbook. The textbook is free. Let's go back to the home page. So you also have the syllabus here. So if you click on that, we'll take you to the course syllabus. Again, this is just a template. So your actual syllabus will have your meeting times up here, have the instructor's name, email address, office hours, and so forth, and how they're going to run the class. Okay, so let's go back to the home page again. Then you have class content, which we'll come to in a second. But below that, you'll have how to contact your instructor. So if you click on that, it will give you different ways you can contact the instructor, either email or they'll have their office hours right here. Go back to home page. Okay, now let's go to the class content. So the class is split up into 10 different modules. So each day is laid out. So on day 1, we'll be working on module 1. Day 2, continue working on module 1. Day 3, continue. And day 4, you'll have a quiz. Then day 5 will be module 2. Day 6, module 2. Then a quiz. So it keeps going, module quiz. And then like after quiz 3, it looks like there's a test. So it continues like that all the way through. So there's going to be 10 quizzes, uh, 2 exams, and a final. So suppose it's day 1, you're going to click on module 1. So at the top, it gives you the objectives of the module. So you can look at those. Below that, there's a practice quiz. So this will be like a sample quiz. It'll be similar to your actual quiz. If you click on that, it takes you to a practice quiz. Looks like there's 5 questions, some parts of A, B, and C. So your actual quiz will look like this. So if you can do the practice quiz, you're in pretty good shape. Let's go back here. Let's see. Okay, let's go back this way. Actually, you can go to the modules by clicking on modules here also. So we're in module 1. And then if you click on module 1 homework, it gives you all the homework you'll for this module. So you can see in linear functions, you'll be doing 1 through 45 odd and so forth. Okay. Then below that, we have what to do each day. So on day 1, you'll be doing the student discussion. And you'll just introduce yourself, and then respond to two students. Then after that, you'll be working on the Lecture 1 worksheet. You click on this. We'll take you to the Lecture 1 worksheet. And again, it gives you the corresponding parts of the textbook the worksheet's over. So in class, the instructor will be going over the worksheet and also lecturing in class. So if you click on the worksheet, brings you to the first worksheet here. So in class, you'll be going over these with your instructor. You can ask questions. So that'll be day 1. And day 2 will be similar. You have a worksheet, and there's a student discussion also. And then day 3, another worksheet, and day 4, quiz. And below over here, you have different resources you can click on, like to get to the Learning Center, or just make a study group for the course, or office hours. Okay, so that's how the course is going to be structured. Okay, so let's leave it there, the video.